What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews. This time we're looking at some all new earbuds that I just got in. These are the Sudio Toll, and we're going to check them out right now. So right here it tells us on the box, true wireless earphones. You get 7 hours of playtime, has a graphene driver in it, Bluetooth 5.0. You have an instant pairing mode, which we'll talk about in a little bit. They basically pair as soon as you open them up. You get 4 of the different size ear tips on here. So big plus, because everybody's ear is not the same size. So you're gonna get tons of choices with these earbuds. The actual case itself will give you 4 full charges on the earbuds itself. And like I mentioned earlier, you're gonna get 7 hours of playtime on these headphones. Now they come in tons of colors. It's like a pink, you got a white, you got the black that I have here, you have the green that I have right here, tons of colors. So I'm going to drop a link below so you can go by their website and check these out for yourself. The price on these is going to run you about 129 bucks. Now they charge up through micro USB, which I have that right here. And the micro USB actually matches the headphones or the earphone itself. This is standard. This little leather piece, this little leather strap is standard on all of them. It's the same color on all of them. So what I'm going to do now is just open up the box. Since I've opened these green ones already, the black ones, they still sealed. I'm going to show you what's in the green ones just because they're all the same. So you get some accessories. This is your little everything else. You get your ear tips right here, instructions and everything else right here. So nothing big, nothing out of the ordinary. Like I said, all that you really need is the ear tips, the earphones, and the charger. That's the main things that are going to come in the box that you're going to need. Everything else is strictly logistics. So what do these earphones actually sound like? Now I can't really tell you, I can't describe the full sound in the video, and you're not going to be able to hear the full sound in the video. And I can't really tell you about the fit because everybody's ear is going to be different. But I will tell you this, they fit comfortably in the ear. The cushion is not hard or anything. It's going to go right in your ear. No issues whatsoever with that. They magnetically stick and they close and they stay closed. Doesn't flap open. So you get a nice snap close and you're gonna know that it has been done. Now the instant pairing, you see it right here on my iPad. As soon as I open this up, this pops up. So I'm just gonna hit that and wait for it to pair up. Take one out. I'm gonna put this one in my ear and it just said the word pairing and it said device connected. And you can see on my iPad screen right here that it is connected. Sudio Toll is connected. Now you don't have to pair each ear separately. It pairs as soon as you put it in. I'm going to just basically find a song. So I got my song here. I'm gonna start up a little Talib Kweli radio. Sound is really good in my ear. Has nice highs, nice mids. Bass sounds really good. I can't, like I said, I'm gonna take this one out. Once you put the left one in, they actually announce that they're working together and then they kind of just start working. It says left channel, right channel, and then they just start going. So these actually work when you take them out of your ear. I'm gonna turn the volume all the way up on them. And I'm gonna hold them close to the mic. So I even have them way out here. You can still hear them. Now your ear controls, you're just going to tap on these gold pieces right here. Press it one time, it's going to stop. Press it again, starts them back up. I'm going to double tap over here and it's going to skip to the next song. If I double tap on my left ear, it's going to go back a song. So that's the cool thing about these is you have the control on both ears. You're going to be able to do exactly what you need to do when you need to do it. And that sound you can still hear. They're still going to work when they come out of your ear, but the sound is still good and crisp coming from way out here. I can still hear the song that I'm listening to. So that is pretty much it, guys. They fit good in the ear. And like I said, everybody's ear is not going to be exactly the same, but they come with 4 sets of tips that you're going to be able to use and swap out depending on your ear size. They're comfortable. They sound really good. The highs are great. The lows are good. The mid-range is awesome. Everything looks good with these headphones. So like I said, I'll drop that link below so you can check this out for yourself. These are going to run you about $129, but I think it's well worth it for that price point. You got instant pairing, you got 7-hour battery. Only thing is that I don't really like is the micro USB. I would have preferred USB type C, and they don't wirelessly charge. So you got to plug them up to charge them. But other than that, it's a great device. I give it a thumbs up. So hopefully this has been able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.